Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI X, and let me show you two different ways to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So the very first option which I'd like to show you is to use a secret code in order to check those info, and the second one is using the settings. So let's begin with the secret code. Let's open the dialer and let me enter the code, which is *##06#. And as I said, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device and also a made number. As you can see here, we cannot see the serial number, so that's why I will show you the other option to check all of those info, because there in the settings we will be able to check the serial number also. So let's enter the settings. Let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System, tap on About Phone, and let's scroll down a little. And as you can see here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and if you'd like to check the serial number, simply tap on Model and Hardware. And as you can see here, we've got the serial number of this device. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your UMIDIGI X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.